Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Semut Menteri Rangba Kejela uba Prestone Tynsong uba dipej akatanat PWD Hapoh Kyrmen berkinong tho khobor halor ke Surok Shillong-Dawki road ulaong ba uladeb ban betha ya ka NHIDCL hapai dei bat kani kakam kunjuru ulai thu ba nakapor chakapor ka sarkar kai Trelang bat Kibor district SDO civil bat kenhon naka PWD ulaong ba kiru kidang trei yala kakam bat kidang kemi binya kamtam ya ka benta jong ka Surok ka balabam da ka ulaong pementa ke sarkar kala hukum yang ke NHIDCL ringkat baka company ke bakil ajit ban pentrei kakam bakidai ban penkloi ban chna ya ka sobwi hang tu hajaka ba katwa ulaong ru bo sngokmen ban betip baka jingchna ya ni ka sobwi kala jandep bat kinong trei ki trei miet bat sngi bat ngai scam ba Hapoh si Taïew kinla ban plino ya ni ka Surok bat ki kali kinyo ban ya na kani ka Surok.
Yeah, see, instruction has been given. I'm always in touch with the district administration, with the DC, and with our SDO civil, and then with our team from PWD. They are on the job. And see, the real issue here is about that, that portion where the road was washed away. So now instruction has been given to NHIDCL with the company whom they selected for execution work to create a subway there itself. So I'm happy to inform you that now creation of subway is almost in the final stage. The work is on, day and night this company are working, and I'm very sure hopefully within 1 week's time, right? Sure. Maybe within one week's time, we'll be able to again make this Shillong-Dawki road operationalized.
What about the slow nature of the work?
Come again.
How do you speed up the work?
Speed of the work.
The Shillong-Dawki road.
Then Shillong-Dawki road, again I'm telling you because this is not directly under the control of the state government. You are aware that. I think you know it well. This is done by the government of India through the NHIDCL. Ministry of Road Transport has entrusted NHIDCL to do all the needful. So, but from our side, from the state government and from the state PWD, we are also working together with the NHIDCL. Any issues, any logical, any sensitive issues which they have, or the challenges that they have, then state government step in, district administration step in. So that is the duty from the state government where we are doing it. And then we have already impressed upon them, and I've told them that you please make sure that the progress of work is satisfactory. It is not the state government. So bakali na ka NHIDCL, lani na ka Ministry of Road Transport. Kabangi lo concern mingi kolong bet one three way ro kabalo kabangi kwa kolong bande bas sendet ya kanika Surok adil as possible. And instruction has been given from the government, from home department, also to the district administration, both the DC and SP, that they need to at least take extra efforts to make sure that the recklessness happening every day or every week or every month should not happen. So it's again day-to-day functioning of the concerned district administration, and I'm very sure with the extra efforts put in by the district administration, we'll be able to curtail this kind of accident which happens very unfortunately.